We now bring on board Mr. V.K. Sharma, Chief Executive Officer of LIC Housing Finance. Mr. Sharma, Happy New Year to you. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Sharma, first a word
Happy New Year and good morning.
Right. A word on the big picture, Mr. Sharma. At a time when cost of capital is moving up, real estate prices are yet to correct, retail investors are finding it difficult to repay or to service their existing EMIs. How has the business environment been for LIC Housing Finance?
As a company, we have been doing well. Our outlook was that we should grow by 20% plus, and that we are likely to maintain. Because our being an all India organization,
Right. Mr. Sharma, good morning. You've indicated that you would be requiring about 8,000 crores in terms of disbursements. What all instruments are you looking at raising that money via, and what will be the average cost of borrowing?
Primarily, we do it by the bonds issue NCDs. We take loan from banks also, term loans, and then some of the funding is done by NHB as well. At present, our incremental costing is around 9.6.
Right. Mr. Sharma, slightly late to discuss this point, but if I look at your numbers for Q2, you did a large charge. And there was a huge provisioning in your bottom line which was NPA provisioning. For this quarter also, are you likely to, follow a similar strategy where you could be, providing for a large NPA?
No, actually, last time what we have provided for, it was because of the revised NHB guidelines, wherein they have increased the mandatory provisions required as per regulations. For our normal course of action, we do not require to provide more for our NPAs because we are one of the best in NPA management, and hardly we have 300 crores plus NPAs.
Mr. Sharma, most analysts on the street are expecting your profitability on an adjusted basis to grow over 40% year on year over the next financial. Do you see that as a fair estimate?
No, I will not comment upon that. I will be happy if we get it.
But do you hope to achieve it or no?
But our growth rate, our growth rate is good. Hopefully, the profit will also be good.
Mr. Sharma, I have a media report in front of me where they're quoting you and where you've indicated to that media organization that LIC Housing Finance is confident of a loan disbursement of at least 3,500 crore in coming years. How have you arrived at that number of 3,500 crore?
It is not in coming years. It is for last quarter we have kept that.
Right. So, what does that
is for next 3 months we had planned. This will take us between 20-25%.
So, irrespective of
on the year end.
Right. So irrespective of the interest rate cycle, irrespective of how interest rates are moving, the fact that real estate prices across India on a pan-India basis are yet to correct, you are confident that you will be able to grow at 20% plus. I need that assurance from you.
That is right. That is our confidence because the going is good at present also, even in these circumstances. And what we hope that now with the interest rate pause has come, and likely remission is going to take place in near future. So we hope that it will give a positive sentiment to the end-use borrowers.
So how soon are you likely to cut interest rates on floating instruments?
Maybe the day RBI starts. We are always the first to cut. Already on the new product we have given some respite to the customers, and as and when RBI starts it, we will do the downside reduction.
Right. Mr. Sharma, some experts say that loan growth in the sector may moderate as home purchases also have stabilized in the past few months. What is your observation on that?
In metro cities, there is some slowdown, certainly. But tier 2, tier 3 cities, the growth is as robust. And even the price increase is there. Our primary focus has been right from the beginning of the year, being a pan-India organization, concentrating on Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, and that is giving reasonably good result. Moreover, Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, primarily it is end user who is buying the flat.
Mr. Sharma, let me split my question into two. Part one of the question is that as percentage of your total loan book, how much currently is in fixed, how much currently is in floating schemes and how much is there in long-term schemes? B, in terms of a profile, which particular geography is the fastest growing geography for you?
Our floating is about 55% of the total portfolio and fixed is 45%.
So if
so far as growth part is, so far as growth is concerned, we are, I will say that southern sector and east and central, like I will say that Calcutta and other eastern Bhubaneswar, these are the fastest growing areas for our this thing. Then this side Bhopal, Lucknow, this area is also we are covering well. And of course south is our stronghold and there the going is still good.
Right. Mr. Verma, according to the new guidelines, housing finance companies can no longer charge a pre-penalty or a prepayment penalty from existing customers. Will that impact your profitability or your profits for this current financial year?
Certainly a few crores. Prepayment penalty or prepayment charges were not a main issue for our company because otherwise also it is less than 5% in our company and maybe 5 to 7 crores, not more than that. Already we have declared that we will not be charging any prepayment penalty to any customers.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, good to have you on.
So financially it is not going to impact much.